Yeah, it just needs a little more of that this kind of packed snow. It'll take a bit. Yeah, I'm glad it's starting to work a little bit. Like I said, I might have to water it a little bit so that it packs better. But it's sugar snow, so it'll freeze eventually. And I got more snow in the front yard I can haul out here with the tractor.
Yay.
I can make the hills taller again. I got a little bump there. Yeah, I knew it would. It just needs some bum compaction.
Yeah.
Why don't you try the other sled? The one that I put a big orange strap on there. It's dangerous. It is not dangerous.
Remember what happened last year?
No, I don't know what happened last year.
Me and Evelina were on it, and then when I said, "Boink!"
Yeah, you're not going to get hurt.
Well, of course you're not going to get hurt.
You're a kid. You're made out of rubber. Or maybe it's flubber.
Three, two, one, go.
See, you go. Yeah, you go a little bit further each time. You remember that snow there? That's all that sugar snow that I pushed up with the snow scoop. That's not the snow I pushed onto the hill with the tractor. It takes a while to pack it in. Now, careful, don't hurt yourself much.
Can you say it's made out of rubber?
What? Even rubber has a breaking point.
No hot this time.
What's that?
No hot this time.
Yeah, I know. Dad is hot too. That's why I took a break. It's warm out today. It's nice.
Yeah. And then the toboggan door burn.
And the days are getting longer now.
Yeah. Oh.
Yesterday was the shortest day of the year and the longest night of the year. Give her. Give her, Pine River.
Oh.
Try it again.
I'm a turtle.
You're a turtle?
No.
Soft shell turtle, maybe?
No.
Oh, okay.
In my dream, I was saving turtles.
Yeah?
Turtle turtles at school. Ow.
Oh, yeah. There you go. See?
Finally.
I told you, every time you do it, you go a little bit further.
This was not a bit further. That was a lot further.
Yeah, that's a little bit further.